Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, welcome. My name is Sydney and I usually put out videos about once a week. Lately I've been doing a lot of shoe videos, so if you like those kinds of videos, definitely go to my channel and check out some of my other videos and subscribe so you don't miss out on future ones. Okay, so literally minutes ago, I just filmed a video on these Nike blazers. I'll show you a sneak peek. But if you want to see more about these shoes, I will link it somewhere. Today I want to talk to you guys about another pair of shoes that I just picked up. So as you can tell from the box, we have a pair of Jordans. So these are actually women's Jordans, and these are Jordan 1 mids. I picked this up from StockX. I think I paid $191. I think that was before the fees and tax and all that. I don't know, but I know I was looking at these for a while because at first I didn't like them. I thought they were really ugly. But then I kept seeing pictures of like people styling them and wearing them, and I was like, okay, I actually kind of really like them. And I saw the price that people were buying at just kept going up, so I was like, okay. So I got them for $191. I think I just looked before I started filming, and some were selling. I think I saw some selling for like $300. I don't really know. But these are women's 9. That's my normal size. Always a women's 9, true to size. All right, so we have the white box with the little gold Jordan, the 23 tissue paper, and here we go. So these are the multicolor ones. And I don't know, like, I feel like they're one of those things, hear me out, they're like kind of ugly, but kind of cute. Do you know what I mean? If we look at the shoe, they come with a few different laces. They come with white laces, these like purple ones, and these are like round laces, not flat ones, but they have like yellow. These are like kind of cool. I don't know. I don't think I'd do it. I think I'll just keep the black. And then they obviously come with black laces as well. And then you have your little thingy from StockX. Looking at this shoe, I think one of the things that I didn't realize, because it's kind of hard to tell if you're just looking at pictures of it or people wearing it, was all of the different textures, and I kind of like that. I think it's kind of neat. The bottom's black, you have like the white, and then so obviously there's a lot of colors going on. And I want to say something. I know these are mids, and I know a lot of mixed feelings on mids. Personally, I like them. I think there's actually a lot of cool colorways. I feel like a lot of the colorways I end up liking are like mids for some reason. I don't know. I think they're good too, because I think that there's something that's almost a little bit more feminine about them, because for me personally, the way I dress, I think that it's easier to like integrate these into outfits that I already wear, if that makes sense, versus highs. I don't know if anyone else feels the same way, but I don't know, like I kind of do like mids. Sorry. The inside's all black. Your tongue's like, it's like this mesh material, first of all, and it's kind of like a yellowy color. And then we have all different textures. So this part's obviously suede. This is like a patent, like shiny leather, as is this piece right here. This is suede too, but it's almost a different suede from this, because this is more like rough. And this is like a smoother suede. And then this is like soft leather. And then this is just like your normal. And then you can see like the stitching right here is like red, which is kind of cool too, as right there. And that's the same on the inside. And then it has the little thing right there. I obviously need to relace these, but I want to show you how they look on the foot too. And if you want to see them styled or anything, definitely let me know. But when it comes to lacing my mids, I like to do it, and obviously it's like all preference, but I like to do it to this one right here. Like, take it out of the top one. There's like my hair. God, I shed like an animal. Oh my God, I can't get it. I like to lace up to here usually, and then just tie them. So you'll see that when I put it on my foot. All right, and here they are.
on the feet.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so that you don't miss out on future videos. But also, if you'd like to see other videos related to shoes, whatever it may be, definitely let me know. Also though, which shoe should I buy next? Because I feel like I always have my eye and I'm like, that one's next on the list. But right now there's a few, but not one specifically. So definitely let me know if you have any recommendations. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.